Welcome back to Mega Psyche, where we talk about the psychology of attraction and the counterintuitive truths that most men never figure out until it's already too late. Today we are talking about something that every man has felt at some point. You like someone, she seems indifferent, and everything you try to do to change that seems to make it worse. Here is the truth that is going to reframe everything you think you know about this situation. If she is not interested right now, you cannot text her into desire. You cannot nice guy your way into her heart. You cannot convince her of your value through effort alone. But you can make her feel something she was not expecting. And when you do it correctly, she will catch herself thinking about you. Even when she told herself she had you completely figured out. Even when she told her friends you were just a friend. Drop a 1 in the comments if you have ever tried harder with someone and watched them become less interested the more you tried. Because what I am about to explain is going to make that experience finally make psychological sense. The painful truth first. Why she is not missing you right now. Picture this. She barely responds to your messages. When you ask her out, she is always busy. She talks to you with the energy of a weather report. You have tried being nicer. You have tried being more available. And somehow she is less interested than before. Here is the brutal psychological reality behind that experience. Everything you think you know about attracting an uninterested woman is working against you. The harder you try to demonstrate your worth, the more you confirm the exact suspicion that is already costing you. In her mind, there is no scarcity around you. You are always there. Your attention has no cost. It is not rare. It is not exclusive. It is background noise. And in the modern world, she is already drowning in male attention. Social media messages, compliments, likes, men pushing themselves into her awareness from every direction. Her brain has developed a filtering system to protect itself from that flood. And right now, your effort is getting caught in that filter along with everything else. She is not rejecting you because you are not enough. She is indifferent because you have given her no psychological reason to notice the difference between your presence and your absence. Here is the core principle of human psychology that changes everything. Human beings are wired to notice contrast. We ignore what is common. We are drawn to what is rare. When your attention is abundant and automatic, it has no psychological value. When it is selective and earned, it becomes significant, which means the counterintuitive truth is this. If you want her to start missing you, you do not give her more, you give her less. Because the moment she genuinely feels your absence, she will notice the void you leave behind. And that is when curiosity starts working in your favor rather than against you. The strategy, how to actually make her miss you. Step 1, disappear from her front row. Not dramatically, not with an announcement or a block or a visible performance of moving on. Just quietly and completely vanish from her everyday awareness. No more constant texts. No more likes on her posts. No more showing up as her reliable background presence. Stop viewing her stories. Stop reacting to her pictures. In the digital world, disappearing from someone's online awareness is often more psychologically noticeable than disappearing physically, because it creates what psychologists call a pattern interrupt. Your name is gone from her notifications. The familiar presence is absent, and human brains are deeply uncomfortable with unfinished patterns. But here is where most men fail at this step. They disappear and then sit home, refreshing her profile and waiting to see if she noticed. That is not absence. That is absence with desperation attached to it, and she can feel the difference. Make sure you're subscribed to Mega Psyche right now, because this is a level of psychological depth we bring to attraction and relationships every single week. Step 2, build a life that is visibly moving forward. Your absence only creates the right psychological effect when your life is clearly full without her. Real friends, real hobbies, real growth, new energy, new experiences. When she sees your life moving forward genuinely, 2 thoughts hit her almost simultaneously. First, he is actually fine without me. Second, who is he spending all that time with? That second thought is the beginning of curiosity. And curiosity is where attraction starts to rebuild from indifference. Step 3, use social proof and memory triggers strategically. Post genuine moments from your life that include other people. Do not stage anything. Authenticity is the only thing that works here, because inauthenticity is immediately visible and immediately unattractive. And pay attention to memory triggers, the inside references, a song you both know, a phrase that belongs to your dynamic, a location tied to a specific memory. When she encounters those things in her daily life, you re-enter her mind without doing anything at all. You are occupying mental real estate without being present. That is powerful. Step 4. Stimulate her mind, not just her emotions. Share things that expand perspective, interesting ideas, new viewpoints, skills and knowledge she does not have easy access to. When you disappear, she is not just missing your attention. She is missing the way being around you made her think. Intellectual stimulation is one of the most underrated drivers of attraction and one of the most lasting forms of being missed. Step 5. Reemerge strategically, not desperately. When the time comes to resurface, do not do it 2 days later. Do not respond the moment she sends a casual hey. Wait long enough for your absence to have genuinely registered. Depending on how frequently you were in contact before, that means anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks of real absence. When you do come back better, more focused, more confident, more alive. No explanation for where you were. No apology for your absence. Just the energy of a man who has been building something worth building. That energy is what converts indifference into genuine intrigue.